Welcome to the Benteh STEAM Academy. My name is Isabelle, and today Sandy and I will be going over what you will be receiving after completing our Glowforge workshop. We will also be doing the unboxing. Let's get started. You will receive a total of 4 boxes. Inside the first box is going to be your Glowforge. You may want to have something sharp like scissors or a box cutter and a small bag or envelope to hold important packaging pieces. Make sure you are using caution while working around sharp objects. And make sure when you are using a sharp object to cut away from yourself. It is also important to keep all shipping material. To begin, you'll notice it is a pretty large box. Have someone help you move your new Glowforge box to a table. Carefully cut the tape along the bottom edge of the box. Make sure to keep your box flat with the arrows pointed up. Gently lift the top box off and begin to remove packaging materials from inside. There will be a combination of cardboard and foam covering your Glowforge. Carefully open the plastic wrapping by peeling back or cutting the tape. This will expose your machine. Now, with the help of a friend, lift the Glowforge onto your table surface. Inside the second box is going to be your filter. You can go ahead and open the box, lift the box out of it. We can put this to the side for now and move on to the next box. Inside the third box will be your spare filter. Inside the fourth box will include some important accessories like the ventilation hose, the crumb tray, and the power supply. And that covers everything in our unboxing video. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more content like this. And in part 2 of our series, we are going to cover how to set up and start your Glowforge. Shanann, thank you for joining us for today's video. And as always, keep creating.